Scorpio, my water babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe if this page has been a blessing to you. Check out my LinkTree. Link is in the bio. I do have some special treats there for you. Your word of the day is the voice of my heart. What are the contents and the lyrics of your song in your heart? Listen to it, because you're a magical being, you are an artist, and everyone loves the rhythm to your soul. So expand that. Make sure that we can hear it by actually being obedient, listening to yourself, your own intelligence, because we all know all the knowledge and the wisdom of the universe. We're just awakening it and reminding ourselves one step at a time. So I want to say, I silence the fear in me, and I discover the voice of my heart. The fruits of these words guides me, and I trust the song of my soul. My intuition leads me onto the path of light. You're in the right place, right time for breakthrough. Exercise your gifts. Let the world know how original and how much of a original piece you are, and not a copy. You can't be copied. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.